Saturday, come film the BRZ at our white party FRS like it has been fucking done before.
First shot.
Alright, what's up guys? So Nikki just dropped off his car and his authentic V3 Rocket Bunny kit. We're going to be doing gloss light ivory with galaxy black accents, so it's going to be very cool. So it's I'm excited for the project, so let's do it.
So if you look at the car right now in its current state, not much to look at, typical FRS, but it looks really, it's about to go through a huge transformation. We're doing a really unique color on it. When I say unique, meaning that we haven't personally installed this color before. You know that a lot of these cars are coming in and they're getting very similar colors because it's what looks cool. You can just look at Anthony's and see how dope it is. I've wrapped 5 of them at this point in that color. This one, a little bit different route, and I'm excited to show you guys. I really can't wait to show you guys the transformation because, like I said, you look at it now, not much to look at, but we got the Rocket Bunny kit, we got the wrap, and we got the wheels coming, and you'll see this one progress throughout the week. But let's go back into the shop.
Got you guys.
Hey guys! Did you guys see that comment about hey, that Daniel reminds me of that cooking guy, Emerald. And then I commented back like, uh-oh.
Yeah. Can you take some green onions? Can you go bam? Can you go bam?
I told Daniel, you better delete that shit, bro.
So what is it that you're gonna be doing, Cody?
Installing the Rocket Bunny V3 kit into the...
Just gonna do the nut inserts, or
Nut inserts.
you don't, no cutting?
No, it's already cut and welded.
What does glassy mean in the rap community, bitchy?
So glassing is what you just saw there. Basically what we did was, as you can see if you pan across, the bumper looks like it's already laid pretty much, except for all of the fine edges and stuff like that. But basically we got everything to lay with just heat and a little bit of tension. The biggest thing to know about that is you're not pulling it and you're not stretching it to conform. Same process as like the mirror that we demonstrated earlier, is it's just gently laying it into place, and that heat just lets this material kind of just fall into place on the bumper. So basically now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go back through and work all of the air out. So basically you got to work middle and everything out, so you don't want to get any air or anything trapped in the bumper. And then yeah, from there it's pretty much laid, and it's just making sure that all the bubbles are out, all the air is gone, and then the bumper's done pretty much.
Eyes are killing me. I was looking at that for so long. What we're gonna do with this bumper is kind of run through it with you guys. We laid all of the inlay here first. This is done, all black here. Under eyelids, it's gonna be a little custom thing that we're doing with it to accentuate the headlight. And then on this bumper, what we do, we've wrapped a ton of these, and there's a bunch of different ways that we've done them. The way that we like to do it the most is right here at this body line. We do this all in one piece. So it gets done in its own, and then we wrap the face of it itself. We've done it both ways. I've actually wrapped the whole bumper piece into here, and as well as right all the way down. What I've seen is sometimes this will start to pop up over time, start to bubble up, because it's not an aggressive bend, but it's enough to where it can actually move around. So just to make sure that that doesn't happen, we do it in its own separate piece. And because of the color that we're using, you never even know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing first and foremost and tolerating me. We finished up the BRZ. What else? We watched Jefe crash his drone. That was pretty cool. You saw that in the beginning. I said it in last vlog. We're stressed out. We got so much going on. This is the raw, authentic version of premium. You get to see what we're doing. You get to see how crazy things are. Sometimes we got highs, sometimes we got lows. Right now is a high. I'm really, really happy. I'm excited, but I got to get in there and work. So when Jefe taps me on the shoulder, he's like, yo, Daniel, let's go film an outro. I'm like, oh God, again? Didn't we just do that? Every single day we're doing this for you guys. Oh my God. That didn't sound nice. What's up, guys? Let's get into these cinematics, guys.